Good morning, guys. How we doing? Welcome to Trade Confident. Man, we had such a crazy good week, and if you guys are watching this, we ended up winning 3 trades over the weekend. Our 118th win was on Luna, secured 8.76% profit, and then we secured some more on the stop loss. Right after that, we won Solana for 5.25%, secured more with the stop loss, and then on our 120th win, for 0 losses, we did 6.52% on AVAX, and we secured more with the stop loss on that of the 50%. Guys, the market was moving up. I'm like, I don't think it's going to keep heading up too much higher, so I wanted to call some exits. I know they weren't the biggest wins, but guys, the compound interest you're making on this is pretty ridiculously awesome. So we are officially 120 wins for 0 losses. No one who's ever traded with us has ever lost a trade. So guys, take a second today. Join our family of traders. Come trade with us. I think you guys are going to love it. All right, let's get into the analysis today, and I'll show you guys how to access that a little bit later. All right, the trend dashboard. What are retail traders looking at this morning? Well, we're still above the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages. All the big moving averages are still below price action, meaning that all of those people out there who are trend traders who traded with momentum, the trend is your friend, they're most likely still looking to buy every single pullback in this market. And they're most likely looking at this line right here. If you take this at the bottom and you take a look at this, because we've had this structure support here, this is where they're looking at. As long as we stay above this, guys, retail traders are going to try to buy the bounce here. I guarantee you guys are going to try to buy the bounce. So this overall is still looking fairly bullish here, in my opinion. Okay, currently sitting up 2.72% on this trade. I'm in this trade with you guys, and I am going to be looking at exit right around this area here. Let's take a look at this now. I want to show you guys a few other metrics here in the market this morning to give us an idea of where is Ethereum and the altcoins heading this week. Price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. Take a look at this, guys. Do you remember when I called this out and I said, guys, once we're in this consolidation period, once you look to see us hit the bottom red section here of the trend exhaustion and the price or swell money flow, do you guys remember how much percentage I told you guys to look for here? If you guys remember this, right when it dipped down here, you guys were looking for 3 to 4% to scalp this. Well, guess what? You guys are up around right at the moment about 6.94% and got up to all the way at the high of 10.13. So great job, guys. You were using our indicators to scalp the market. Not a single person who's literally ever used our indicators to scalp has lost a trade yet. I've been keeping track of them over here. It is ridiculous. So once you guys have these indicators, you guys can get them in the description. They're 82% off today. Watch this. It's when trend exhaustion's in the top red section and well money flow is high. That's where you're looking for drops back down. You want to short it for 3 to 4%? Great. You made your 3 to 4% already. Those of you guys looking up here to look for short trades when trend exhaustion's high as well as when well money flow is high, from here to here, that's where you guys were looking for your short trade. Let me see if you guys actually captured that in here. You didn't get in at the top or the bottom, so you're probably very close. You either got very close to 3 or you're basically sitting at break even right now from where the price action is. I'll show you guys some reasons of why I think we can head down here, but just wanted to show that to you guys. It is pretty awesome. Again, all of you guys, who took this entry over here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, you guys are looking for 3 to 4% and you're just riding this back up. Or you're using our bigger strategy where you guys are just, never losing a trade with us, which is pretty awesome. Okay. Indicators in the description, you guys can snag those. All right, I want to move over here to the charts. Let me show you guys how to access these. So what we've been doing, guys, obviously we're 120 wins, 0 losses. What I ventured out when I first started this. I was like, it'd be super awesome to trade crypto and never lose a trade again. I was like, God, I need some wisdom here. I want to do this. It's just like something in me. Something in me was like, I want to trade and never lose a trade. I never want to lose a trade. And it's funny enough, like we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and possibly ever in crypto that we've been able to show over here. And it's pretty awesome. So with our membership, guys, I'll make this really fast because I know people usually don't like this. And I'll get into the analysis, but $95 a month. You'll get access to all the Telegram channel with all the entries and the exits of when I get in and I exit all the coins. All the master classes are yours. The community chat is yours. And this, coming up this month, April 14th, we're going to go live in Zoom from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we're going to talk about the markets, do a Q&A session. It's going to be a lot of fun. But not only do you guys get all these signals, I'm going to give you guys literally get access to all the suite of metrics. Okay. Anyways, people who understand how powerful this is, you guys understand. Just wanted to point that out so you guys know how to access everything and so you can start trading with us. The emotional index on Ethereum and all these charts are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's dive in. When we're sitting up here into up into the greedy and excited, definitely not anxious. Actually, when you're anxious, guys, and you see the trend exhaustion low and well money flow low, that is actually the most ideal setup for long trades. I know a ton of you guys love scalping long. It's just a lot easier than going short. So if you guys saw the profits from people scalping last week that I showed you guys, it's pretty insane. A guy did like $43,000 in 2 months. So what I'm seeing here is that we've got ourselves put up in here into the excited and greedy section for retail traders. Guys, the angle of ascent for Ethereum is going a little too fast. Can I show you guys something else here? If you look at the S&P 500 here, we are seeing a nice move up, a move back down, and then a move up here again. We are back to this resistance here at 154, 150, kind of the quarters theory psychological level. So what could be happening today we need to watch for is a drop back down based off this resistance here today. It's either that one or this one right up here. It's what I call bounce zones if you guys want to mock this up. So it's either going to happen right now today, or we're going to probably push up a little bit higher and then maybe see another move back down here. If not, and this keeps going higher, then obviously the crypto market's going to go higher as well. But let's watch this. Right now, we're sitting at this resistance, so I wouldn't doubt if we see a little bit of a move down. But then overall, guys, I do think this uptrend is going to continue up here into quarter two. Okay, let's go back to Ethereum. Let's take a look at this now. Let's come down here and take a look at this. Look at long versus short trades. Short trades are increasing over here, and long trades are basically staying the same, but they have descended and then stayed the same. So here's my take on this. Short trades increasing tells me there's more people out there thinking and hedging and placing their bets on the market having some type of correction. Here's the mark I'm really looking for, and it's right at this ascending support line. It's basically at the moment right at our break-even entry where price is. So right here at about 33.83, 33.80, it's probably a better way to think of it, 3,380. If we do not bounce up from here when this drops back down, the next support we're going to hit is back to structural support here at about 3,200. Once this is broken here, this gives us a lot of room to start moving back down, and the structural support you need to watch after that is $3,000. Okay, I know it says about 3,041, but right around $3,000 is this structure here, and it's this structure here. It is very strong, so we need to be watching for a possible $3,000 drop back down. Another reason why I say that is if you take a Fibonacci retracement and you pull the high to the low, you can see right around this golden zone is what? $3,000. So there's evidence in here that if we break this, we're going to start moving down. You all need to watch this ascending support line and watch what's happening over here as a precursor. Are short trades going to increase this week? Watch the metrics. Are long trades going to increase? If long trades increase, this means we have more signs that we're going to be moving up, and it's going to put pressure on short traders. You guys don't think people shorting are looking at this metric over here thinking, okay, how much competition do we have? Because here's the thing that short trades do not want to happen, and it's happened to them literally almost every time in here when they come to resistance. They're doing this. They're like, okay, we're heading down because we're at a strong resistance. You know, they're looking at this resistance right here. I guarantee you guys they are. And they're like, okay, we're going to short. And then long trades come out and they absolutely just blast up here, and all the shorts get stopped, and the shorts are forced to go long. That's what's been pumping this whole market, is short squeezing the shorts. Okay, look at this now. Market cap strength is moving up pretty fast here on Ethereum. This is such a good sign for you guys, for all of us who are in here. When this price action starts moving up, I want to draw your attention to this, so please pay attention. As price structure moves up here and market cap moves down, this is usually a precursor that we're going to see a drop back down. Okay, and as we start seeing moves back down here and market cap increases, this is where we saw a little bit of a jump back up. Okay, so just be watching this. If we start seeing market cap move down here, it means people are selling Ethereum, and it's kind of abandoning retail traders to the upside. I am watching this, and this is partly, you know, I'm seeing some signs in here where we're going up too fast. That's why I called some exits on some coins. We're out of those trades, and we're actually back into all of them already. By the way, Luna got very close to hitting the 50% stop loss, but did not get hit. It's off by 3 cents, 2.98 to be exact in here, okay? So we're still managing that, but we're still live on Luna, and you guys were able to take an exit up here, which is pretty awesome. So great job. I just want to point that out real quick. But AVAX, we're back in. Solana, we're back in as well. Let me take a look at Solana real quick so I can show this to you guys. Basically break even, and everything is looking good, guys. This is so much fun. Guys, if you're trading with us, you're going to be like, man, I didn't know trading could be so simple and we could win so many trades. Probably is what you're going to be saying. All right. Let me show you this real quick. I'm sorry I'm like bouncing around here, but our account is up. Oh my gosh, we actually literally just did, okay. 150,000 is break even. This is super exciting because I've actually never seen the account this high before. So we're at 160,563. So we're up $10,545, 10,410, whatever. It's going to fluctuate here. So we're up $10,000 plus right now. So our goal here is to get this to $200,000 by the end of the year. And then I'm either going to go buy a house or like a sports car with it. So I'm going to go to 200,000 and take 100,000 out, and then I'm going to just buy something fun. You guys have to have goals. Please, guys, set a goal for yourself so this can be fun for you and you stay true to the risk management and trading. Okay. All right, short trades are definitely in favor over here. If you guys are like, hey, should I take a long trade or a short trade? Well, guys, it's pretty much obvious here. Short trades are going to be more in favor. The market cannot go up forever. When you saw this type of, ascending channel here, it can't go up that fast. It's gonna see a move back down. So I'm just patiently waiting over here, and I'm exiting trades a little bit faster right now until we see a nice higher low formation. Then we start moving back up. That's where I'm gonna be holding trades a lot longer. But right now, when we're expecting a drop, you're probably going to see me, securing between 5 to 8% on these trades for the first 50% exit. And then we're going to be trailing the extra 50% stop loss in case we just blow up overnight. So looking at this well-institutional smart money, this is definitely coming out and showing us that they've been looking to acquire the shorts. Again, this market is heading too fast up for it not to see a correction. And look exactly, does this give you guys a reminder of what happened over here? They started taking shorts back here. Some of you guys are like, man, when is this ever going to drop if this is going to hold true? And then people are still holding. You know what's happening? Retail traders ended up buying up here because they're like, oh, forget it. This is not going to true. It's a false signal. No, it pushed us into literally a bear market cycle because you had lower highs and lower lows. A bear trend took over. So I'm not neglecting this. We need to watch this very strongly, okay? Because this is too fast, too high, too fast to not see a drop back down. Okay. Support resistance prices, where we're going to crash back down to the first place is 3,045. Again, it's that $3,000 mark. I do think we can hit back down there. I wouldn't doubt if actually this week we hit around $3,000. Again, watch this ascending support line. All right, one more metric here, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. And you can pretty much join me on this if you want. Dollar cost average entries, great job, guys. If you're in this trade and you guys dollar cost averaged with us, sweet sauce, you guys did pretty good. Right around here is where you guys have your entry. You're up about 37% right now, so great job. I actually entered in money into the market right over here. I entered in at 22.50, so 22.50 is right down here. So I've got money in the market, and I'm currently sitting up with you guys who took this in the Telegram channel. We're up about 54.50%. Literally, we're up 54% right now. And I got to show this to you guys because people won't believe this. And I can put it in the thumbnail or something like that, but let me actually show you guys this order over here. When I came out and put the $49,000 in the market, I ended up splitting up into about 6 different coins. And I wanted to make this really clear so you guys could see this. I was like, when you do this, you need to get diversified. 2,251. That was the entry, 2251. So if you come over here to 2251, all of you guys who ended up getting into that position with me, let me get as close as I can. That's probably as close as I can. We're off by like 22 cents there or something. So right now we're sitting all up on this trade about exactly 54%. What I'm going to do for this trade here is I'm actually going to wait and not exit that trade until I'm going to exit that with this exit on this trade over here. So our break even on the bigger trade that we took back in December 8th of last year, we're in the profit, and I'm going to hold that until we're up about, I would say on this trade, we're going to look at structure high right around this area here. So if you take a look at this, those of you guys who are in that trade with me and you guys ended up putting money, and let me get it close to here, we're going to be doing about a 70% profit on that trade. It's going to be pretty stinking awesome, but definitely watch for this drop down before that. Okay, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. Scroll down here. I want to keep it private for our members, but let me show you guys exactly how we're winning all these trades. Okay, it's pretty awesome, and it's because of the risk management strategy, guys, and the indicators. If you guys have a second, spend time today, go snag the indicators. They're 82% off. I have a link in the description, and then come join us, guys. It's super fun. All right, choose the amount of money you want to enter each of our coins with. Let's just say it's $1,000, okay? You choose the amount. Split that into 4 equal portions, 250. Now place 250 at each of the 4 buy limits. You've got prices right here every single morning, guys, even over the weekends. I get in here, I meticulously look at these buy limits in here. It's why, guys, we were able to exit 3 trades and we're back into them on the dip. Okay, and then some of those coins are actually even up right now. It's pretty awesome. So once you guys are over here and you're starting to trade with us, split it into 4 equal portions, set your first buy limit in here once your first buy limit gets hit, and then set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. This is really, really high up here in case the market explodes. Once you have it set up, join me in Telegram, and I will literally call every single one of these exits for you guys. If you guys want to literally, because I've had this question before, they're like, Travis, I want to take every trade with you. Every trade with you. All you guys have to do is wait in the Telegram channel for me to post something like this. I say that here. The AVX trade has officially closed. So this is one exception here. I was at my sister's son, so my nephew's first year birthday party this weekend. So I wasn't able to enter in exactly right when the buy limits went off, but those of you guys tracking can. But what I'm doing now is I'm calling out every time I get back into a trade, you guys are able to actually get in with me. Just follow what I'm telling you. I even give you the link to the buy limits on the website, and you can enter in right when you see that. Most likely, put the buy limits structured, and they're probably going to get hit maybe an hour, 2 hours, sometimes 24 hours later. So it's not like you have to do it immediately. Just follow what I'm talking about in Telegram, and I will literally give you the entry as well as the exit, and just copy what I'm doing. That's all you have to do. I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult your own before you do this, but not a single person who's ever trade with us has ever lost a trade. Okay, it's so awesome. So make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel and you guys are signed up. Last but not least, guys, the indicators. You guys know the trend dashboard, trend exhaustion, price risk, money flow. These are the 3 indicators I use on my charts here. Every time I exit, I'm looking at these indicators. You guys get 82% off all of our indicators today. The normal 3 that you need are these 3. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. You'll get 40% off. But if you guys actually get the bundle pack, you're going to get 82% off, which is 42% more than what you'll get here. And you're going to get 6 more indicators, giving you guys a total of 9. 2 Forex indicators, never been coded on TradingView before, which are awesome. The moving average breakout, this is awesome too, but the pressure gauge, I keep moving it down a little bit further. I got to go like this so I remember where it is. Pressure gauge is what we call the jackpot indicator. Use it very carefully, guys, because yes, it can get you into some massive, massive moves, but please promise me you guys use risk management with that. The biggest 3 that we're using here with the scalping strategy is the trend exhaustion and the price risk money flow. These are the 3 that you guys really want. So make sure you guys snag that bundle pack. Real quick before I let you guys leave, I know a lot of you guys are hearing me talk about this scalping strategy. If you guys go to the master classes, scroll all the way down. Literally, this is what I've taught hedge funds of how to trade this way and all the stuff in here. You could definitely watch this, guys. Masterclass 7 shows you guys how to actually scalp with our indicators, and you guys will do really, really well. I honestly, like, you guys, if you just watch that video and you guys get in here and start trading, I think you guys will do awesome. This guy did $3,500 using the indicators and metrics, okay? Trend exhaustion, price risk, money flow, okay? He did that. Pretty awesome. That week, this was last week, guys, $3,500. This guy does $1,376 profit overnight. These guys are using the indicators. He's up about $4,000 since December. They're using the indicators, using the metrics, okay? This guy does $43,000 with the trend exhaustion and money flow. Price risk, money flow, trend exhaustion. These are the exact indicators he was using. $43,000, guys, on ADA. Absolutely insane what this guy's doing. This guy's doing $100 to $400 a week on average, okay? Insane. Okay, that's it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you guys really want to come over here, I highly encourage you guys, if you want a family to trade with and just get some support as you guys are trading, and it's not just like, hey, come over here and, look at our metrics and you're on your own. Email us at betradeconfident, tradeconfident@gmail.com, and myself, Jake, and Josh, guys, we're helping you out over email. We are a family over here. Like, if that doesn't help, guys, come over here to the chat and look at how many people are interacting, and our family is super, super awesome over here. They're helping each other. They're looking at charts. You guys can talk to them over here. Like, these guys are all over here looking at things, and we're just diving in together, looking at it all. It's so much fun. I love what we're doing here. And if you guys join us, I think you guys will love it. So anyways, that's all I've got for you guys. The rooftop crypto chat is what you guys can look at and get into once you guys are joined. So I'm looking for a temporary drop down on Ethereum, but then overall, we're looking for this move to head back up here overall this week. So definitely watch this $3,000 level of a possible move back down, but we really need to be watching this area right here about 33.83. So 33, let me write this down, 33.83 is going to be the ascending support line we all need to watch. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing day. I'll come out with more videos today for analysis, but I wanted to show this to you guys. The membership as well as the indicators are in the description on sale, so you guys can have those discounted. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.